Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. I'm going to share with you two credit unions that may be able to help you if you have a strong Vantage score. Okay, now the first one is Credit Union West. All right, now this is a hidden gem, and I'm going to share with you why people are going here, but they're not talking about it. Here's the thing about it with Vantage West. All right, talk about their personal loan. People are going here because you see this? They're giving you loans up to 300 months. Okay? And they go all the way up to $125,000. $125,000. And they're giving you 300 months. So basically, you're looking at about 25 years for this, right? 25 years. So the cool part about it, I like about it, again, is that, and there's more about this here I'm gonna share with you. But say that you wanted a $50,000 loan, okay? You wanted a $50,000 loan, and you wanted to go all the way here, right? Look at that. So you're gonna be paying that much, but your payments will be like $405. So let's just say we go here, and so you're at a 550 a month, right? That's crazy for them to be willing to go all the way over 300 months. 300 months. But like I said, $50,000, you're gonna be paying a lot in interest. Look at that. Interest paid almost $100,000. But at the same time, hey, they make it very easy for you to get access to this loan. Now, here's something else that I want to tell you. When you go after this loan, all right, I would definitely tell you to make sure you go after one of these credit cards as well. All right. Now, granted, they're not 0% interest credit cards, but at the same time, you're able to get a credit card and their interest rates is a lot lower. Now, why is this credit union so important? The reason this credit union is so important because it uses a TransUnion Vantage score. Okay, a TransUnion Vantage 3 score to be exact. So that's the reason why this credit union is so important. All right, so if you're trying to leverage and get some funding and stuff like that, this is the place you want to be. And in terms of, let's see if they offer the business. They offer different business service, just business checking and savings. But in terms of like business credit cards, I don't see that. All right. I don't see any of the business credit cards. So that being said, let's go over to the next credit union. And the next credit union, and I made a separate video of this, is Hovia. Hovia Credit Union, Financial Credit Union, excuse me. All right. Now, here's the thing about it. You can double dip with this credit union as well. So when you're starting to borrow, meaning I would probably look at go for the credit cards with the lowest interest rates. Now, again, this credit union does not offer the 0% interest rates. Their lowest is 2.99 for 12 months, right? So that's the thing about it with this here credit union. They don't offer you that 0%, which I think is much better. But at the same time, one of the things about this here credit union is that they do have some good business banking as well. So let's look at it in terms of like their personal loans. All right. Now, like the other credit union, they this credit union, I'm almost sure they don't offer you 300 months. All right. They usually offer you up to 60 months on the personal loan. But at the same time, reason this here credit union could be beneficial to you is because it uses a Vantage 4. Now, the difference between Advantage 4 Credit Union, between Advantage 3 and Advantage 4 Credit Union, is that with Advantage 4 Credit Union, they're not counting in the medical bills, they're not counting in judgments, they're not counting like evictions, so you have more leverage with the Advantage 4. Okay, so that's the difference between Advantage 3 and Advantage 4. Now, if you have bad credit and your Vantage score is not still the best, then the place that you probably want to go to get a loan. Now, for those of you that don't want to use your personal credit or get a hard inquiry on your personal credit, then you may want to check out with this tribal lender, which is Uprova. Uprova, as you can see here, they offer loans from 300 up to 5,000. Now, one of the things I want to explain to you about this, what Uprova says is checking your rate for a tribal fixed term installment loan from will not affect your credit score. However, if you choose to accept it, the loan, they will do a pull on the credit. However, this is what I want to tell you. Most of the time with these tribal lenders and stuff, they're looking at your credit report from Clarity, which is owned by Experian, Data X, which is owned by Equifax, Factor Trust, which is owned by TransUnion, or they may look at LexisNexis. So they're looking for, like, if you filed a bankruptcy or if you had a loan with any of their subsidiaries in the past. Other than that, they don't have no issues with issuing, they don't have no qualms with issuing you out a loan. Now, some of the restrictions in terms of states, they do not say, but usually, like sometimes, like a place like may have a hard time getting this type of loan. But that being said, if you have any other question about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.